The stepper motor drive with optocoupler is an advanced motor control module specifically designed for precise control of stepper motors. By incorporating optocouplers, the module ensures robust isolation between control and motor circuits, making it ideal for high-precision, noise-sensitive applications. The stepper motor drive using optocoupler receives step and direction signals from a microcontroller or similar control system. The optocouplers act as a bridge between the control and the motor circuits, isolating them electrically and ensuring that noise and electrical transients do not affect performance. Using specialized driver chips, the module converts these signals into precise voltage and current levels to control the rotation angle, speed, and direction of the stepper motor. A stepper motor drive using optocoupler is an electronic circuit that employs optocouplers to control a stepper motor. Optocouplers provide electrical isolation between the control circuitry and the motor driver, enhancing safety and noise immunity. This type of driver is commonly used in applications where precise and isolated control of stepper motors is required, such as in CNC machines, 3D printers, and automation systems. It ensures accurate and reliable movement of stepper motors in various electronic projects and devices.